Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 12th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, we just had the CPI number released. Futures are getting a little bit of a bounce, but they are still negative on the session. So all in all, futures trading down about 1.25, sometimes 1.5. Right now, they're sitting at 23.89.5 per contract. But nonetheless, markets have come off the lows. So we'll see how today plays out. We'll see what this market gives us. And we'll take it slow, we'll take it steady, and we'll take it one candle at a time. But in the meantime, we're going to take a look at stocks in the news. We have Nordstrom up first. They reported earnings. Ticker symbol is JWN. Stock yesterday was hammered on the back of Macy's, and it's even lower today, really on the back of its own earnings now. So, again, Nordstrom with a pretty good sell-off here. Stock right now is trading at around $43.90. Did briefly pierce $43 yesterday, so we'll see if it goes lower. I actually have levels for Nordstrom. Well, I have one level that I will be trading, and I'll give that out in the intraday stock chat room right around 9 o'clock in the morning. Next one we're going to take a look at is CYBR, which is CYBR. Stock right now is trading at $50.88, closed at $55.15. So this stock has had a good sell-off after earnings as well. Right now, the stock, or I should say this morning, briefly got below 49 bucks. We'll see if it does trade lower. The level I'm looking at for CYBR for a play, the only level that really interests me today, is going to be down at $46.09. Until then, I really have no desire to do anything here until I see a better chart pattern intraday. But $46.09, I would be a player there on the long side of CYBR. So keep that on the radar, 46.09. Next stock we're going to take a look at is JCP. Looks like they reported earnings. Stock right now is getting hit again. It closed at $5.29 yesterday. Again, this was down big in sympathy to Macy's yesterday. And today it's down in light of its own earnings. So, again, stock trading sub $5 now, $4.93 at the moment. Again, I just don't see anything that's spectacular for JCP right now, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Next, we want to take a look at GE. They were downgraded today. GE was downgraded today. Stock trading at $28.34. It closed at $28.87. Again, we'll see if GE can trade down to around $27.66. There will be some support there. There also looks to be a pretty fair amount of support right where it is right now, but $27.66 would be a little bit of a better level. So we'll see if we get down there. Again, GE under pressure. Looking over at Corning, GLW, looks like this stock is catching a decent bid higher, closed at $28.80, now trading at $29.35. It looks like they struck a deal with Apple. So again, you can read the details on the news. I'm not really sure of the specifics, but either way, the stock is trading at $29.35. The only problem I see with Corning is it's a little overbought on the bigger time frames, meaning that the weekly and monthly charts. Outside of that, the stock is still fine. I don't really see any issues here, but I don't think there's going to be all that much upside from here. It looks like there's renewed merger talks between Sprint and T-Mobile. Sprint right now trading at $8.09, closed at $7.87. Again, around $8.85, if it did get up there, that would be big resistance. I just don't see that happening today. T-Mobile, which is ticker symbol TMUS, is right now trading at $66.75. Closed at $65.81, so it's capturing a little bit of a bid as well. It was much higher earlier, has pulled back a bit though. So again, looks like merger talks between T-Mobile and Sprint, and that's via SoftBank. They're in play right now. Let's take a look at Hain Celestial. HAIN is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $37.75. It closed at $35.88. It looks like the company has announced that they're completing an internal accounting review. So we'll see how that plays out. But either way, the stock is getting a bit off of that news. Hain has been down in the cellar for a little while here, trading at $35.88 yesterday. Good pop today. We'll keep it on the radar. No levels that I'm looking at right now. Let's take a look at CA Technologies. CA right now catching a pretty good bid, trading at $33.74. Stock closed at 32.62, 32.04 rather yesterday. So this is a good pop, but again, a lot of resistance up here around the 34.40, 34.50 level. So again, a little bit of more upside if you own it. Trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, don't do much here. Let's take a look at AstraZeneca. AZN is a ticker symbol there. It looks like they have a phase 3 drug trial for lung cancer that got very, very promising results. Stock right now is soaring up around 33.40, closed at 31.13 yesterday. Last but not least, we want to take a look at Wayfair today. Ticker symbol is W. Stock has just gone parabolic as of late. Today it's pulling back. It looks like Amazon has announced again that they are getting into the furniture space, but I think this was announced a couple weeks ago, so I don't know how much we could put into it. I think Wayfair just got overbought and now is pulling back. So again, we'll keep that one on the radar as well. There's no play on Wayfair that I see at the moment. But again, we'll be looking at all of these stocks and more. Nordstrom and CYBR are going to be on the radar this morning in the intraday stock chat room. We had another spectacular day yesterday. Chat room nailed another 5 trades, 5 winners, 5 for 5. That's 10 winners I think we've had in the past 2 days without any losers. So again, if you want to come over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. We're going to try to light it up again this morning. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet, but I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.